Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to get 100% free voucher from the Microsoft certification path 2026. You will learn AI, cloud and security plus you will get a free exam voucher. So we'll go through the step by step process for that. So upgrade your skill and get certification ready with the Microsoft technologies through the certification prep on demand on LevelUp. This platform offers self-paced training courses and designed to help you the master in the in-demand skill across AI, Azure, security, and business solution. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced professional, there is a course guide to step by step towards the achieving Microsoft certification and advancing your career. What we'll get? So earn to self-paced certification training anytime, anywhere. Learn in English and 9 other languages. Hands-on lab and real-world practice exercise. Structure learning path across AI, cloud, and security domains. Opportunity to earn a free Microsoft exam voucher on scoring 80% plus in practice test. So popular learning areas is there Azure cloud and AI platform, AI business solutions, Microsoft security and Power Platform and Dynamics 365. So course included certification like Azure Administration, Azure AI Engineer, and Power Platform and Security certification. Whether you are aiming to boost your career, validate your skill, and become a Microsoft certified professional, this program gives you the everything you need to succeed. So start your certification journey now. So this is the URL. So let me open the URL. So certification course catalog is there. Achieve your solution design goals with the Microsoft AI Cloud Partner Program. There MAICPP. So start your certification journey here and certification prep on demand. So complete your course with the 80% plus on the practice test to earn a free certification voucher as I told you. So access self-paced Microsoft certification training English and 9 other languages. Practice your hands-on lab and exam prep resources and explore the this one Microsoft credential to navigate to certification pathway. And this is term and condition. So first I go through the term and condition. So how we qualify an exam voucher after the completing the practice test? So to eligible exam voucher, you must meet the following criteria. First, you must have complete the AI business solution ABS track courses practice test with the 2 week of enrolling into the course. You must one of the first 500 qualifiers to be eligible to get a exam free voucher. A learner will be the limited to available of 2 voucher across all eligible courses. You are allowed one attempt to pass the practice test. You must achieve a minimum score of 80% or more to qualify. Please ensure that redeem your voucher before the expiry date mentioned on the email containing the voucher detail. If you qualify, you will receive the email confirmation of the exam voucher code. Be sure to check your inbox and spam folder for the voucher email. So please note that all voucher under the cloud and AI certification and security certification track we have been distributed and no additional voucher with the currently available. Voucher distribution for the partners in the MAICPP have the resumed to the course under the AI business solution track and this is the subject to the applicable term and conditions. Okay. So this is the term and condition. So now open and one more thing, let me open the credentials. So certify the Microsoft and GitHub. So there is a AI business solution. We are going to concentrate on this. Here you can see there is a Microsoft 365 and these are the inside the AI business solution. Then endpoint associate and then PL200, PL400, PL500, 600 and MS and MB. So these are the courses. So you can go through this. Now start your certification journey. So click here. In English and other languages are there. If you go to the course type solution area, so we are just targeting the AI business solution. So click there, because when you will go to the term and condition, there will be the AI business solution. You have to course some practice test. So all the AI business solutions are there. Just click any one of this. Before that, just register yourself. So migrate your this one, and this is the step-by-step process. Click on the enroll and Azure migration of the SBC, and congratulations, you have the earned the this wage, and in final also you will get one more. So this is the step-by-step process. You have to complete all the steps and go through the term and condition, and just so there is a term and conditions are there. You have to must achieve the minimum 80% score or more to qualify, and how many courses you have to complete, all those things you have to go. So we have seen how to get 100% free Microsoft certification part 2026 AI cloud security and free exam voucher from Microsoft. So all the steps are there. So disclaimer is there, all trademarks, logo names belong to their respective owners. This video made only for the education informational purpose under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Share this tutorial with your friends and colleagues. Drop your question in the YouTube comment box. I will reply personally. Subscribe for the free tutorial and certification tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.